In the crypto world, QT was draining liquidity. So the ending of QT is essentially QE, because if they're just holding the balance sheet flat, they are still going to be essentially adding liquidity to the system.
Just to maintain the size.
Yes, and so that is why I think crypto prices have risen in anticipation of this meeting.
So do crypto prices keep going? Do you have a bullish view still on small caps if we're finally going to get that rate coming down a little bit? Where should people look for alpha or outperformance?
Yeah, I mean, like 2026 is a year like there's a new Fed, right? But a dovish tilt. And at a time when the ISM's been below 50 for a record more than 3 years. So that's really good for small caps. And as Barry says, if they deregulate banking, and we were talking about this offline, that's really good for small caps. But that's also really good for the business cycle. And we've talked about this in some of our past research. Crypto prices are really sensitive to the ISM. So the ISM moving back above 50 has historically been associated with actually super cycle moves in Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Wait, ISM going into expansion territory is positive for Bitcoin? And
correct.
And for all, interesting.
Yeah, and so if you look at ISM and Bitcoin, and you detrend Bitcoin, essentially look at its distance from the 200-day, it's almost perfectly correlated to the ISM.
Surprising.
And same thing with copper to gold prices. So copper's an industrial metal versus gold is a monetary.
Right, but all of that tells you that it's basically just risk on, that they're all behaving like an economy. And am I overcharacterizing
Yeah, I think
it?
I think that's right. I think Bitcoin's a bit of a chameleon because there'll probably be a time when it acts like gold, but right now it acts a lot more like it's sensitive to monetary policy and the business cycle, and both are about to turn up. So that would mean anybody who thinks the Bitcoin 4-year cycle means crypto prices are down next year, we're betting against that thinking that new highs come early.
Tom Lee 的核心观点，他指出，美联储如果停止缩表，实际效果就像宽松 QE， 也就是说市场流动性会增加，这对比特币、以太坊等加密资产非常利好。尤其当制造业指标 ISM 回升到50以上时，历史上常伴随加密的超级周期上涨。同时，利率回落与监管放松也会推动小盘股走强。简言之 ，Tom Lee 认为，只要货币政策和经济周期转好，市场可能很快看到新的高点。